WalletConnect is a powerful open-source protocol that bridges the gap between mobile wallets and decentralized applications, allowing users to interact with Web3 services without needing browser extensions. When you want to connect your wallet to a dApp, the dApp will display a QR code or a DApp link. You open your WalletConnect compatible mobile wallet and scan the QR code or tap the DApp link. This action triggers the connection process. WalletConnect uses a shared secret key to establish an encrypted connection between the dApp and your wallet. This key is generated during the connection process and is only known to the two parties involved. Once the connection is established, your wallet will prompt you to authorize the dApp's access to your account. You'll need to review the dApp's permissions and confirm the connection. After authorization, the dApp and your wallet can communicate securely, allowing you to perform actions like signing transactions, sending crypto, or interacting with smart contracts. When you initiate a transaction, your wallet will display a pop-up window with all the transaction details. You'll need to review and confirm the transaction before it broadcasts to the blockchain. Once you are finished interacting with the dApp, it is important to disconnect your wallet. This ensures that the dApp is no longer has access to your account.